Ma, tengo hambre, comida.
Chico, baja entonces que se enfría. Bienvenidos Life Recipes with Zulma. Welcome back, mi gente! Today I will be doing the videos in English. So basically what I'll be doing is on Mondays I will be doing the videos in Spanish, and on Fridays I will be doing the videos in English. So for today's meal I will be preparing Ethiopian Cabbage Cuisine. So as you can see, I have set up all my ingredients here, and we're gonna start putting the heat on medium, and I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup of olive oil, then cilantro, about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Now we're going to move on to recaito, which gives that Latin seasoning to the dish. We're going to mix them together. So next I have the potatoes, which they're really good, low in calories. And it's about 5 to 7 potatoes, diced and peeled. I did about 6 potatoes because some of them were small. Mix them all together. Next I have the carrots, which they're good for your eyes. Together. So now we move on to the celery, which is really good for you ladies who are working out for your booties. I'm joking. Ooh, or maybe not. And lastly, for my first batch is the onions, which they're really good in vitamin C. So we mix all this together and we let it cook for about 5 minutes. So while it is cooking, I am going to tell you a little bit about myself. So I am Puerto Rican, and in Puerto Rico, we love to cook. So in some of my videos, I will be making some Spanish dishes for you. Also, one of the things that I like to do is travel. One year we went to Italy, specifically to Venice, and one of the things that we did was ride on the gondolas. Oh my God, that was such a beautiful moment. It was awesome. Riding the gondolas in Italy, in Venice, it is spectacular. You should try it at least once in your lifetime. So we're gonna start now with the second batch of ingredients. First, we're going to start with about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then 1 teaspoon of cumin. Next will be a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. My next ingredient is turmeric. Since this is fresh and very concentrated, I'm just going to drop a big piece of it. Next, I have 4 minced garlics. This is smelling delicious. All these flavors coming together, mixing together. It smells awesome. Next, I have about 1 teaspoon of diced ginger. Fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a can of garbanzo beans. So we're going to take all this together, mix it, and we're going to cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh my God, it smells delicious. These are tough and wild moments we're living in. I spend my time cooking for you all. So tell me down below in the comments, how do you spend your time at home?
Está ahí.
Okay, mi gente, this is the last step of the process. It's simple. Take the cabbage. It's about half a head of a cabbage. You mix it in with the rest of the ingredients. And you're gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes or so. We bring down the heat to low. And when the potatoes and cabbage are soft, then it will be ready to serve. Okay, mi gente, the cabbage and the rest of the ingredients are cooked. This plate, you can pair it with either white rice, with quinoa, with bread, even in tortillas. Today I decided to pair up with quinoa. So I'm going to scoop up some of the Ethiopian Cabbage Cuisine, as you can see. You can also pour a little bit of lemon over it. And voila! Thank you for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you get a chance to prepare this dish, down below in the comments, please let me know. Bon appetit!